My people, good morning or good afternoon or good evening. Today, they for location. The location where I come monitor stamping floor. When one of our viewers from the talk show give Oga engineer make it do 4 years. Now come monitor for today. Our viewers will they work as our viewers say need them. Yeah, we take the work. Why would they here? Say from the beginning, as the engineer want to start, they will come here. More come monitor. That's what I did from the beginning as they start. In front of me, now the Oga. When the engineer when they do the work, now be this Oga. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Osas.
Make an interview. So my name is Osabwe. What about your name?
My name is Engineer Ernest.
Now they at the work where one of our viewers are giving a monitor for today. So as I talk, he say from the beginning. Me will call a monitor. So okay, you will take me the randa. Me say at the job, he go. Yeah. So before you take me the randa, okay, what you go let our viewer when they patronize you to this our channel, particularly the one we give you this job.
I'm giving thanks to God Almighty, who kept me alive up to today, who gave me the strength, the wisdom and courage and everything to do this work. So I thought also Edo Talk Show. Through this platform, many viewers all over the world, they see me and contact me for the job. So I give God the glory. I thank Edo Talk Show. I thank those who are patronizing me. May God bless you in Jesus' name.
Amen. Our viewer, before you give any of our client work, you got to call our number there on top of this video. Okay, you're going to show our viewers as we start.
Yeah, this is, I really don't know the name of the client doing this job, but I know she's a woman. So when she called me, maybe 2-3 months ago, we negotiated about this job.
Okay.
So finally last week, she paid me for the job. Good thing she paid me all my money, what we agreed for this job. So, and she personally requested that the Edo Talk Show will come here from the start of this work so that he will see and follow up the work. He contacted the Edo Talk Show before he contacted me for the job. Before he gave me money, he also contacted the Edo Talk Show. When he gave me money, she also contacted the Edo Talk Show. I have given this engineer Ernest his money. And we started this work on Sunday, precisely the day before yesterday. That is the day we started. Understand? So I've been trying to get across the Edo Talk Show since yesterday, so that, like I agreed with the client, we will follow up from there. You can see the work. This color he chose is something that is close to his roof. You can see the roof. So he chose something that is close to his roof. This one that in between this place that we call border, all this area we see not done, we are going to use black to do it. But first of all, the main color is this something like a brownish color.
Something like a
brown, because when you get water now, you put it, you wash it, you sit. It's not finished. When we finish, we are going to wash. Understand my point? Then the real color will come. Then you also polish. Then you see the beauty of the job. Yeah.
So like how many square meters?
This thing is about 500 square meter or something thereabout.
Okay, for this very compound.
For this compound, because the compound is real big. You can see the thickness. You can see the thickness of the casting.
Like how many inches? This
thing is more than 3 inches. 3 inches.
More than 3 inches.
Yeah,
very thick.
Yeah, very thick. So there are places you will get, like here, you are going to get almost 4 inches. Understand my point? Yeah, because here we give here a lot of concentration, because this is a driveway. Vehicle will be driving from here, parking. You see, this place is a bungalow. I think it's for rented. People will be living here. You cannot tell how many cars they will owe. And this one also. Okay, and this one is the duplex. Many cars can park here. So you can see that they can park 2 cars like this, up to here. So this place can take up to 10 cars or more than that. Understand my point? So we make here to be very Very, very, very strong, very solid.
Okay. So I say yeah, they deep.
Yeah. What happened here was that there is a soccer way here.
Okay, soccer way.
So we have to open here. You can see this angle bar here. So we are going to use it to frame it and put it so that you can be opening it. Understand? This is what we are going to do. All these chambers you see here, all these chambers, these are for it. We are going to break it up, then put this thing here, then cast the cover.
Okay.
But that's how we're going to do. That's why you see it. You can see the one we have done there. When we get there, you can see.
I will to see that one too. But now.
So,
like how many inches granite is this one?
This is half inch.
No, turn around, sir. No, like this one.
This is
our view.
Okay. This is half inch granite.
Okay,
we are using half inch granite.
Okay.
Understand my point? It's very good for the work because it blends very well with sand and cement.
Okay.
Understand my point? Not that the other bigger one is not good, but yeah. Like I was telling you about this chamber now, we have to break it. We are the one that broke all these things so that we will put that angle bar here.
Okay, angle bar here.
That we put it there. They have female and male. Then the male will be down, then the female will be up.
Okay.
So we're going to cast on top of the female layer. When it dried, we come and put it. So if you are not told, you will not know that it's something like chamber here, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so that's how we do it. Yeah. We don't leave it like that. They have done it before, the way you saw other ones. Okay. You can see we just break all these things today.
I see.
Understand?
Break all this one.
Yeah.
Okay, that angle bar with the just now.
Yeah. Okay. The man is still coming with the sizes because we take measurement. Okay. All right. Yeah.
Like what if this is very long?
This is what we call range. This is what we call range. We are using it for the work. Now the thickness of the thickness of this range is the thickness of the casting we are giving. All right. This is 3 inches by 1.5 inch. So this is the thickness we are casting. Sometimes we have to support it.
Yes.
Like you see now, we supported this one. So by the time we finish, we are getting 4 inches here.
4 inches.
Understand?
Okay, this range are 3 inches.
3 inches.
When you support her, making 4 inches.
Yeah.
For height.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that is it. So one other thing, not only that is the thickness, the range also helps us to get the free flow of water. Because after setting the range, you are going to plumb the range to make sure that if you want water to be going like this,
yes,
it will be going. If you want to go like this, it will go. Understand? Okay. So that's it.
So our people, they hear what they explain concerning the work. So and according with the work towards as our viewers need an time to the work. So why are they here? The viewers say we must come as the organ starts. So and it does start. That's why I did here. We're going to share the work. So you said the square meter is 500.
500 and have 530.
Okay, 530 square meter.
Yeah.
Okay. So our viewers, we see they come. I must come here reach 3 times. I've been 2 times.
We start up to 2 times because by the time we move up to 90%, by the time we begin to cover up this what they call it, this borderline.
Okay, this
borderline that will have another color. You still come because people will say, "What are you doing? Where is all this gap?" Like this circle now that is here. This circle here is the rosette. It's a design.
Okay, this
some people will say
circle.
Yeah, some people will say, "Give me Gucci." Versace.
Yes.
There. But this person did not want Versace.
Yes.
He wanted a different design, which we are going to give there. Not only here, we are going to position another one in the front of the duplex.
Okay.
This one here will be bigger than this.
Okay.
The one that will be here will be bigger than this.
Okay.
But there's somewhere here at the center of this entrance, somewhere here.
Okay.
We're going to
the center of this very entrance. That is going to be somewhere.
Yeah.
Here.
Very big.
Okay.
Indeed. Okay. That's how it's going to be.
Okay. My people, when I hear what Oga they explain. So Oga, you feel to tell our people during finishing before you explain how much cost you know we to do this work?
Everything depends on negotiation.
Okay.
On the top point, sometimes when you hear me speak on air, I will say that I prefer clients to buy material. Like this place, I'm not the person that bought cement, sand, and granite. The owner bought those things. Then for the chemical for the work, you can see this is you are using. You can see some of them inside there. The chemical we are using.
Yes.
This color, this thing like it's dusty. You saw on top of this job is a chemical. Without it, we call it a release agent. Without it, this thing cannot stamp. Understand my point? So now I procure those ones. I always take customers or clients that this chemical we are using should be exclusively mine to provide. So that if there is any blame, understand my point, then you call me as regards to that. Because sometimes if you say you want to take the job or contract, they say you are managing material, you're managing cement and sand and granite. No, for effective work, I preferred the client should buy cement, sand and granite. Understand my point? Because the other things there like chemicals is not something you can manage.
Okay.
Understand my point?
So like this cement, where it go enter like how many bags?
I gave them quotation of 170 at least.
How many bags?
170
okay,
bags.
170
at
bags.
least.
At least.
At least.
Okay.
That I know this place will get to 180 or 185.
Okay. What about the tip of sand and the granite?
The tip of sand is 30 tons.
Okay, 30 tons.
Then 4 in 1 sand, 3. That's what I tell them. Understand my point?
Okay, you're talking about tons, right? Tons is for granite. You are
granite.
okay, granite 30 tons.
30 tons. But
okay.
The sand is 4 in 1. I say bring 4 in 1, 3 trips. Understand my point? These things are estimates and quotation. Sometimes it remain, sometimes it will not do.
Okay. Like the square meter, 1 square meter, how much do they work your own organ?
Right now, things are on a very high side. You agree with me? We all are in Nigeria today.
Yes.
Things are going up. You can't see a plate of food now, 500 naira, and eat and rejoice. Understand my point? Transportation, so many things. That's why sometimes when I take a job, I will plead with the client, can my boy stay in the side to reduce some of all this? So like now, formerly we are taking, if you buy materials, you will give us 4,000 naira. But now, we will take you 5,000.
Okay, for the square meter.
For the square meter, for us to provide the material and the labor, the chemical and logistics. Okay. Because like this mat now, suppose I don't have this design, they are renting it 25,000 every week.
25,000
naira every week. Then the one we are going to use for this side again is a different design.
For this side and for this side.
They are different design.
Okay, another different design.
Another different design. Taking its own cost.
Okay.
They take that one 8,000, 10,000 every day. Understand my point? But because this one is quicker, you can run all these things within 3 days. Then this cycle we call rosette.
That cycle.
That one.
Yes.
It's another design again. You have to hire it. If I don't have the design the person wants, I have to go and hire it. These are the logistics we are looking about. The transportation of bringing the chemical here and some other things, that range you asked me. These are the logistics.
Yes.
Then later, we are going to have what we call expansion joint. We are going to call it here. So we will need the filing machine and cutting machine, cutting blade to cut it, to allow the ground to breathe. There's something I want to say, very important, because there's something people are saying and doing. You did work for me, no reach 6 months, you don't the crack. Listen, there is no place, even if
we will come this and go, this noise of this generator, may I hear you properly. Yeah,
there's something people are complaining. Understand my point? You say you did work for me, no reach 6 months. The ground don't the crack.
Yes.
I laugh. They will look at it as if the job is poorly done. No. Even main road quota that is done often and often, you will see crack there.
Yes.
Why? Ground breathe. So because of that breathing of the ground, we are going to cut the expansion joint.
Okay,
to reduce to minimize the crack. But to tell you that you will not see crack on this ground, anybody who did this work and say you will not see the crack there is a liar.
Okay.
But there are measures to contain it to minimum level. Like when you fill the compound, you compact the compound very well. After compacting it very well, the mixture, the composition of your concrete, of your mixture, we also reduce it. Then the cutting of the expansion joint for where the ground will be breathing will also go very far to reduce it. If you look around, maybe when you look around, they just created this fence. If you look around very well before, you may see crack in the fence. When you go to your house, you may see crack in your fence. You may see crack in the house. This is as a result of the ground breathing. It's not because the person who did the job did not do it very well. Because people will call you, say you did my work 2 days, 1 week, 1 year. I never enter. No. We know the faults that are purely bad work.
Okay, no, I see plenty work concerning stamping floor. So I dey waka well. I know some people do that kind of, but I will see some, they do some. You go come get what they call akpanigogo, you go be like say go dey pull. What do they call some? I dey pull.
Was pulling the
nice. So when they don't do, you know, you come dey get, you know what they be akpanigogo now, it be like saw. Like you go get dot with the fall on. And it's not supposed to be like that. Why? What did they cause that one?
Now, if I may understand exactly what you mean, yes. There are people, if they want to give you sharp sand, they will give you sand that is mixed with red mud. Any sand you use that is mixed with red mud, anytime water touch there, it will open. That red mud will open. 1. 2, if you wash this place and finish washing, that's why I have some jobs that I have done that I have not polished.
Yes.
Because of the rain. Understand my point? It's supposed to be that you allow the ground to dry well. The polish and the water, both of them don't blend together. They don't marry. So that's why you can see something like that peeling. Understand? If I am not understand what you are saying. So that
you're supposed to understand what you are trying to talk.
Because you are talking about panikoko. Me, I don't know what is the panikoko.
You don't know what is panikoko.
Okay,
make I tell you what is the panikoko. Is that, you know, all this road work, maybe asphalt, they pour asphalt for road. So saw, you can't talk to saw like O, you know, small O. From there you call the leak to, you call it wide. So why? And they use that as for the as an example.
Yeah.
But this very one, so you get one way I see. I enter the copper. It's just like that. What they try to talk about like as far as money go. If you touch like this, okay, as nothing I touch this one. It's strong. If I do that one, it go pull. You go the pull.
Okay.
Don't say why what they cause that one.
Okay. That one is purely bad job. That one you are talking about is purely bad job. There's something you know. This color hardener, look at it. This is the color this woman need.
Yeah, because as you touch it, you not pee. So if you don't tell, like,
this is the color this woman need.
Okay,
there are things that are involved in mixing of this color. Understand my point? There are chemicals. We have what we call pigment. We have what we call white cement. We have what we call marble dust. We have what we call titan. Understand my point? Then there is a cement that always agree with some of these things.
Okay.
Understand? There's one thing, Dangote, people prefer Dangote, but to do some of all these things with that cement, because Dangote they quick dry. Understand my point? If you take cement that is quick to dry, sometimes it puff up.
Yes.
Understand my point? So it is the composition. Maybe if you buy already made color, I don't know how they do it. These days I will tell my clients, I will do all this mixing very well. I will buy the materials. I will blend them together to give you. This one, I and the person that blended it together to get to what I want. Understand my point? By the time we finish this work, before we finish, you will come again.
Okay.
This thing you are saying, you will diligently look whether you will see it.
Okay.
Understand my point? I'm not saying like now we have water connector here. There are some places they will not put water connector.
Yes.
Once rain they fall, you go to heater. And water is very strong. No matter how you think the casting is strong, once water they drop there continuously,
yes,
before you know it, you begin to give it little wound.
Okay. That is the wound that they talk about. You can be like, actually go we say no.
So you go to give a wound. So, but if you have water connector, water is not okay. No, if something like that happens, then it's a bad job.
So my people don't hear with your God talk, you don't explain with you tell them just now, you don't explain. So okay, like here, so you want from yes, your pan go inside.
All the water is going outside.
Okay, outside. Okay.
Because so, without it, the work is rubbish. Understand my point? All this water will flow out
from this side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All of them will go. There's no water that will remain in this compound.
Okay.
If this all of them not flow through the gate, we channel another place for all of them to go. Okay. But no water inside the compound.
Okay. So it doesn't take when our viewers see for our channel reach. Okay, what is the apple?
Because I don't know what is the problem. I wanted to ask you as a correspondent or moderator, why are you not airing my program again? Why are you not airing my program? Why are you not showing my program to people again so that they will see?
Okay, we they show your program. Understand? The one way they with us don't take. The new ones then we never see. So the other day I called you.
We have new jobs. Many of them. If I'm not mistaken, it may be up to 6 or more than that we have done already. But like I told you concerning the apanikoko you talk,
yes.
So I cannot polish in the rain. Because when we wash this place now, you can see how big the compound is.
Yes.
It may take us a day to wash. All this whitish something will go. Then the natural color will come. Then you allow it to dry. If it did not dry properly, if you polish it, that thing is like cellophane, it will be peeling. It cannot magnate very well, it will be peeling. So, and these days we have what they call it, rain coming. You cannot get, no, so, come and change it. You cannot get 2 days completely where rain did not fall. So what we want to do is, we want to allow every work we did anytime from next week or upper week or November precisely, we go and polish it and air it on the day. So listen. Okay, so our viewers actually they come back must come here close to 3 times before they round up here. So okay, you quick call your number when our viewers will reach you. Yeah, my number still remains 08035994581. 08035994581. Another one is 08050937334. 08050937334. Another one is 07013912129. 07013912129. My people are grateful to watch this video.